Assalamu alaikum aspirants. In this lecture, we will solve 50 high difficulty general knowledge questions from set 6 of the CSS MPT 2026 series, and these questions cover everyday science, current affairs and Pakistan affairs. Focus on understanding why each correct answer is right, and this will help you build factual accuracy and exams confidence. So इस लेक्चर में हम 50 MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे और हम स्टार्ट करें पाकिस्तान अफेयर्स के सेक्शन से। यूएन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के क्वेश्चंस को हम देखेंगे और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास, पाकिस्तान सिक्योर्ड अ नॉन परमानेंट सीट इन द यूएन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल फॉर द 2025-2026 टर्म, इट्स एट टाइम, हाउ मेनी वोट्स डिड इट रिसीव इन द यूएन जनरल असेंबली। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी के अंदर 182। पाकिस्तान ने 182 वोट्स रिसीव किए हैं and Pakistan was elected as a non-permanent member of the UN Security Council for 2025-2026, receiving 182 votes from the UN General Assembly. Next question, which Pakistani city is emerging as a potential IT hub due to initiatives like the Saudi Google AI Hub, which was being developed in 2025? तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी में इस्लामाबाद। इन 2025 सऊदी अरब Google Telecommunication Group announced the establishment of the Google AI Hub Pakistan in Riyadh to be launched in Islamabad in October 2025, and the initiative aims to foster AI and digital innovation and boosting Islamabad tech ecosystem. Next question, question number 183. According to the Economic Survey of Pakistan for 2024 and 2025, what was the likely GDP growth rate for the fiscal year ending June 2025? तो पाकिस्तान की जो जीडीपी ग्रोथ है वो 2.7% है इस सर्वे के मुताबिक। इकोनॉमिक सर्वे ऑफ पाकिस्तान फॉर 2024-2025 प्रेजेंटेड इन जून 2025 reported a likely GDP growth rate of 2.7%, and this figure was lower than initial targets, reflecting challenges across key economic sectors. Major crops saw contraction of 13.5%, significantly impacting overall growth despite a rise in the industrial and services sectors. Next question, in 2025, which company announced it would close its physical office in Pakistan but would continue operations through a partner-led cloud-based delivery model? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट। इन जुलाई 2025, Microsoft closed its physical office in Pakistan and laid off its remaining 5 employees as a part of the global restructuring. The company and Pakistan Ministry of IT clarified that it was a not full exit and that operations would continue through a partner-led cloud-based delivery model. Next question हमारे पास है, in January 2025, Pakistan launched its first indigenous electro-optical satellite. What organization was responsible for the launch? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए के अंदर स्पार्को। Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission launched Pakistan first indigenous electro-optical satellite on 17 January 2025. Next question, the ninth edition of the multinational naval exercises Aman 2025, which included a Chinese fleet in 2025, was hosted by Pakistan Navy in which city? तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी में है कराची। The ninth edition of the multinational naval exercises Aman 2025 was hosted by the Pakistan Navy and held in Karachi in Feb 2025. Next question, tourism and climate action से which region of Pakistan was listed in a CNN top 25 must visit destinations for 2025? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी के अंदर गिलगित बल्तिस्तान। CNN listed Gilgit Baltistan as one of its top 2025 must-visit destinations for 2025, and the region was recognized for its stunning natural beauty, including its mountainous landscapes and unique culture. Question number 158. In its updated nationally determined contribution in 2025, Pakistan aimed to reduce its projected emissions by what percentage by 2030 contingent on international financing? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी के अंदर 35%। इन इट्स updated nationally determined contribution submitted in 2025, Pakistan target a 50% reduction in projected emissions by 2030 with 35% contingent on international grant finance. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है, विच पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेटर अनाउंस्ड हिज रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट इन सितंबर 2025? तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है वो बी है, आसिफ अली। Pakistani batter Asif Ali announced his retirement from international cricket on September 2025. Next question, in 2025, Pakistan signed a preferential trade agreement with which country focusing on lowering tariffs on key agriculture goods? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है, अफगानिस्तान. Pakistan signed a preferential trade agreement with Afghanistan in July 2025, which came into effect on 1 August 2025, and the agreement lowers tariffs on key agriculture goods like grapes, apples, mangoes, and potatoes, and this was a part of an early harvest program to boost bilateral trade. Next question हमारे पास, in September 2025, Pakistan and which country signed a defense pact declaring that an attack on would be treated as an attack on both? तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब है सऊदी अरेबिया. Next question, a major concern arising from 2023 Pakistan census, whose data was analyzed in 2025, was the controversy surrounding the allegations of demographic manipulations and inaccurate data. 2023 Pakistan census, whose data was analyzed in 2025, faced primary challenges due to controversies surrounding demographic manipulation and inaccurate data. Political parties, especially from Sindh and Balochistan, expressed reservations over alleged undercounting, and technical and logistical issues such as problems with the digital technology and untrained numerators further fueled concern over the census accuracy and reliability. Next question, question number 163. Pakistan updated NDC 3.0 submitted in 2025 aims to increase the number of electric vehicles by how much by 2030? तो इसका सही जवाब है 30%. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है, विच पाकिस्तानी प्रोविंस हैड द most polio cases reported in 2024, continuing to be a focal point for polio eradication efforts in 2025. तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी में, Balochistan. In 2024, Balochistan reported the highest number of polio cases in Pakistan, and making it a key focus for polio eradication efforts in 2025. Next question, what was the name of operation conducted by the Pakistan Army in late 2024 and early 2025 to counter terrorism, particularly in Balochistan and KPK? तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी में, ऑपरेशन अज़्म इस्तेकाम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 166 देखते हैं, मिडल ईस्ट पीस एंड रिकग्निशन. सो इन सितंबर 2025 विच G7 कंट्री रिकग्नाइज्ड अ पैलेस्टाइन स्टेट? तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब है यूनाइटेड किंगडम. In September 2025, UK officially recognized a Palestinian state following similar moves by the European nations, and this decision was part of a shift in diplomatic relations and was welcomed by Pakistan. Next question, a key component of the 2025 Gaza conflict ceasefire talks mediated by the US, Egypt and Qatar involved. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी में, a prisoner exchange involving Israeli hostages and Palestinian detainees. Next question, which country hosted the 2025 World Junior Shooting Championship? तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी में, रशिया. Russia hosted the 2025 World Junior Shooting Championship. The event drew young athletes from around the globe to compete in various shooting disciplines. Russia has a strong traditions in shooting sports and regularly hosts international competitions. Next question, which organizations approved the second living drug for treating blood cancer in 2025? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी में, फूड एंड ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. In 2025, US Food and Drug Administration approved living drug for treating blood cancer. 170 क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास. In 2025, which city hosted the AI Action Summit? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी में, सोल. The AI Action Summit was held in Seoul in 2025. The summit brought together government officials, industry leaders, and AI researchers to discuss global AI governance and strategies. Question number 171. India developed its first indigenous photonic radar in 2025 in collaboration with which country? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, इजराइल. India collaborated with Israel to develop its first indigenous photonic radar. Next question हमारे पास है 172. The new parliament building in India inaugurated in 2025 is named as Central Vista. Next question, reports in 2025 indicated the world's largest data center is planned for which country? तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी में, USA. Reports in 2025 indicated that the world's largest data center is planned for the USA, and the data center will support the rapidly growing demand for data storage and processing, particularly for AI applications. 174. What is the name of the second stealth frigate inducted under Project 17A by the Indian Navy in 2025? तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए के अंदर INS महेंद्रगिरी. Next question 175. According to a 2025 Freedom House report, which two countries have the lowest internet freedom? तो इस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए में है चाइना एंड म्यांमार. According to a 2025 Freedom House report, China and Myanmar have the lowest internet freedom in the world, and the report cited government censorship, surveillance, and human rights violations as the key factors. Question number 176. Which country became the host of the International Solar Alliance Summit in 2025? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी में इंडिया. In 2025, India hosted the International Solar Alliance Summit, and the ISA is a coalition of solar resource-rich countries, and the summit focused on promoting solar energy and sustainable development. Next question. The International Monetary Fund projects Pakistan per capita income ranking in 2025 to be approximately. तो इसका सही जवाब है 141 and 153. तो इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड प्रोजेक्टेड पाकिस्तान पर कैपिटा इनकम रैंकिंग इन 2025 टू बी अराउंड 141 इन टर्म्स ऑफ परचेसिंग पावर parity and 153 in nominal terms. So these ranking reflect the country economic challenges. The ranking are based on IMF's World Economic Outlook projections. In 2025, which organization launched the Enhanced Certificate of Origin 2.0 system? तो इसका सही जवाब है World Trade Organization. In 2025, World Trade Organization launched the Enhanced Certificate of Origin 2.0 system, and the new system aims to streamline trade procedures and reduce fraud by digitizing the certificate of origin process. Question number 179. Which major international alliance expanded in 2025 to include Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, UAE, Saudi Arabia? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी के अंदर ब्रिक्स. Next question. The new World Bank Group president in 2025, a former US Treasury official, is AJ Banga. In 2025, AJ Banga, a former US Treasury official, became the new World Bank Group president, and he succeeded David Malpass, who announced his resignation in early 2025. Question number 181 देखते हैं. The instrument used to measure electric current is called an ammeter. तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है मीटर है. Then rigor mortis is the process of stiffening of the body after death. rigor mortis कहलाते हैं. Then the bat is the only mammal capable of active flight. तो इसका ऑप्शन जो है वो इसका जो सही जवाब है वो क्वेश्चन में ही दिया गया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है राइनोसरस हॉर्न्स आर मेड ऑफ केराटिन. तो इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब भी इस क्वेश्चन में ही इस सेंटेंस में दिया गया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है 185. पीडियाट्रिक्स इज द मेडिकल specialty focused on children health issues. Pediatrics is the medical specialty focused on children health issues, including their growth, development, and diseases. And pediatrics treat infants, and it is a crucial field in healthcare, ensuring the well-being of young individuals. Next question 186. Clouds are highest types of clouds. तो highest type of clouds यहाँ पर है cirrus clouds are the highest type of clouds forming at high altitude in troposphere, and they are thin, wispy and composed of ice crystals. Next question है कि मेन जो यानी कंप्यूटर मोडेम है, मेन कंपोनेंट है कंप्यूटर मोडेम का, तो मॉड्यूलेटर और डी मॉड्यूलेटर है. इसका जवाब मेन कंपोनेंट ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर मोडेम इज अ मॉड्यूलेटर एंड डी मॉड्यूलेटर. And modem is a device that modulates an analog carrier signal to encode digital information, and also demodulates the signal to decode the transmitted information. Next question हमारे पास है before handheld calculators, the slide rule was the standard calibrated tool for engineers and scientists. तो इसका सही जवाब है slide rule was the standard calibrated tool for engineers and scientists. And last question हमारे पास the functional unit of the human kidney is a nephron. Sorry, question number 190 है functional unit of the human kidney is a nephron. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 191 है, द गोबी डेजर्ट स्पेन्स पार्ट्स ऑफ चाइना एंड मंगोलिया। तो इसका सही जवाब जो है वो भी इस क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है, गोबी डेजर्ट। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अर्जेंटीना एंड यूरुग्वाई बॉर्डर द माउथ ऑफ द रिवर प्लेट। तो अर्जेंटीना एंड यूरुग्वाई है, ठीक है। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास, द बेरेंट्स सी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द आर्कटिक ओशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, माली वाज फॉर्मली नाउन एज फ्रेंच सूडान। Next question, the river Thames is longest river entirely within England. Next question, the Pollock Strait separates India and Sri Lanka. 194 question है, the Khyber Pass connects Pakistan and Afghanistan, and a road tunnel passes under Mont Blanc between France and Italy. Next question, Belgium is known as the cockpit of Europe due to many battles fought there, and the large-scale coral reef system of the coast of Queensland, Australia, and is called the Great Barrier Reef. Large-scale coral reef system of the coast of Queensland, Australia, is called the Great Barrier Reef, and it is the world's largest coral reef system, and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Great Barrier Reef is a popular tourist destination and a crucial ecosystem. So you have now practiced 50 key general knowledge questions. Revise these facts and link them with recent developments for better recall in the exams. Keep following the next lecture for complete coverage of all MPT sections. Consistent revision and practice will strengthen your command over the GK portion.